Here's the latest from Glow Recipe. Here is the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. Here it is. Isn't it so beautiful? It has cloudberry, which deeply hydrates your skin and also brightens it. It has Q10, which will help strengthen and protect your skin. It has rice water, 5% glycerin to keep your skin hydrated and locked in. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's put it on. I'm going to do a few pumps and to my hand. When I put toner essence, I just press it into my skin. I just allow my skin to just drink it up. And it's just really hydrating. It's very lightweight, so I'm actually going to layer it up. This is my favorite step because I love layering toner essences. This is really important to have really hydrated, plump skin. A lot of you guys asked how my skin is so hydrated and glowy. This is my secret. I layer a toner essence multiple times depending how my skin feels. And it's just so nice, lightweight, absorbs fairly quickly. Skin is already looking plump and hydrated. All the details will be in the caption below.